Oh my God. Dude, that's freaking massive. Fish. Fish. There's one. There's one. Oh my God. What's up, boys? All right, we gotta be quick with this.
And we walked in, they're like, yeah, can't fish here today, buddy.
All right, I give this spot. What are your predictions?
Here, you wanna hold this real quick?
Yeah, what are your predictions?
5 minutes.
5 minutes? I give the spot 10 minutes.
Actually,
or like 5 casts each, because everyone's already looking at us. It's so busy today that like, if they were closed, guarantee we could have been there for way longer. But one rod, trying to get one fish out of this last pond for it to be successful. Day was already pretty successful, right? But we just need the
imagine
5.
we double up.
We just need the 5 fish out of 5 roadside ponds. Just be quiet. Just don't interrupt the game. Oh, there's a golf ball here. Whose golf ball is this?
I think he got that out.
No, he didn't.
I'm not fishing straight forward.
Boom. Give it 3 casts before you get kicked out.
I'm just giving it one.
What are you doing? What are you doing? We're gonna get hit in the head.
It's worth it.
Totally.
Looking at us. Oh, see, they're chill. They're chill. Imagine we catch him right now.
We need to get one.
That was a big blow up.
Where?
Or was it his ball that went?
Oh wait, maybe that was his ball. Maybe that was his ball. You're right. Oh my God. Dude, that's freaking massive. That's massive. Dude, that's massive. That's massive. Holy crap.
Oh my God.
Holy crap, that's a 5-pounder, dude. That's a freaking 5-pounder. No.
It's a 3.
Holy crap.
Holy crap.
Get in the boat! Oh, I'm recording. Dude, I'm recording. Oh my God. You need a picture. I need a picture with this.
What is that blow up?
Oh, take a picture. With the golf carts in the background. Stand over there. Look at that fish. That's like a 2.5.
Shit.
All right, we need to get back.
I haven't got the golfers.
We need to get back.
I don't know. You have to go in though.
No, I'll toss him.
That's kind of disrespectful to the fish.
No, dude, no. Oh. Oh. The golfers watched.
No, but they were like...
Dude, that blew up like a 5. That blew up like a 5. Bond.
Do you fish off or do you fish like bad?
In the car. Go retie. All right, let's go. Switched it up to a little white zoom fluke. We're gonna go back, fish some subsurface. Got one fish on the top water, like that was like second cast. Definitely over guessed that fish. That was definitely like a 1.5 probably. Just hit like a freight train. You're literally fishing off the side of the road. So just shows you don't have to trespass to catch fish. Stealth mission. No. Round 2. Let's try to get Ollie on one. Gotta be quiet because there's literally a hole and we don't want to disrupt the golfers and then get kicked out. Oh, there was one on that. There's a, like, tiny. Fish. Fish. It's like this. That's like the same size. That was such a. That was such a bad hook set. Oh. I have to take a thumbnail with this. Okay. Get him back, get him back. Yeah. Oh, that's open pocket. There's one. There's one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Stay on, stay on. Get up here, get up here, get up here. Oh no. I'm gonna break this rod, dude.
You want me to go and get it?
Yeah, hop the fence, hop the fence. Hop the fence. Yes, yes, dude. Yes. Okay, I need a picture with this one.
That's big. That's your second fish. That's your third.
That's my
fish.
third.
This one right.
Oh my god, dude. Oh, dude, is that big? Oh, it's nice. Keep it down, keep it down. Ooh. It's okay. Dude, that's a fish from the roadside pond, though. Doesn't matter.
Biggest large enough over there on the coast. That's how small he was.
There's gotta be one over there. Oh, fish.
Already. Who's joking?
That's weeds. Or it's just a little, it's a dink. Oh, dude, that was huge. It was huge. Dude, I got it on GoPro. Dude, that was huge. It wasn't fighting, it was swimming towards me. I'm not even kidding. It was running towards me. That's why it was swimming that's why it was like zigzagging. You saw my line zigzagging, right? Yeah. Holy dude, what the There's a jerkbait here.
Oh, that's Lucas's shirt.
I'm keeping that. I'm gonna give this back to the golfers. Oh my god. Dude, massive. Literally letting it sit on the bottom. Not doing anything. Don't work it too fast. Another like, what, 1.5? They're chunky. Oh, I would normally release the fish a little bit better than that, but I can't trespass to release a fish, so like I just want to run after these guys go. I'm gonna run and take one cast on the other side. Oh, I'm going for it. What's up, boys? Gotta get one quick cast in. You want to like shield me? Oh, hold on. All right, you're good. You're good. You're good. Tank. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh god. Oh god, I gotta get out of here. Get. Stop. No. Go. Get. Dude, you're so stupid. Get. Yeah.